So we got a 15-foot, 1518 rotary mower, and it's got 6 turns across the back. Customer of mine said it worked fine. He hadn't used it for a bit. It is a 540 PTO. So when he had it folded out by his barn, and when we went to, it wasn't folding up this side. We think that shaft was stuck, and when we were folding it, something made a noise, and I believe they said that it may have gotten into one of the gearboxes. Yeah, right here, this seal, right here, look to me. This seal right there, see the seal's out, right here, okay? And something popped. So I don't know if there's a gear in there. Everything was working fine until we went to push this up where it was stuck, okay? So, and this shaft here might have a slight bit of twist to it, I don't know, but he just hadn't used it for a while, and we bought a lot of his excess equipment. So I want you to be aware you're going to buy it with the gearbox issue, because I'm going to say it's probably going to look like everything will turn all right, but that is not. That's why this wing's where it's at. We couldn't fold it up any further because I'd say that shaft was stuck, okay? There is some little wheel residue. There's some pity surface rust. Hey, the deck is really good on it. So like I say, it was good and functional being used. He got brand new blades on it. But that should have probably been oiled up before we tried to fold it, because he used it just down on the same farm. He never usually folded it up. You're going to buy an Absolute on Tractor House auction, but buy it to need that center gearbox and need something. You're going to have to lube up that shaft and do some other things. But the structure of it is very good, and I don't know if you guys have priced a Batwing lately, but they are extremely expensive. We just don't have the time to tear into that, okay? So you're going to buy it like it is.